All right, this problem says Teresa and Julia are among 10 students who have applied for a trip to Washington, D.C. Two students from the group will be selected at random for the trip. What is the probability that Teresa and Julia will be the two students selected? Okay, this one we can look at as this way. Well, what's the chances out of those 10 students that one of those two will be selected as the first student? Well, there's two possible students who could be selected out of the 10, so the probability is 2 out of 10. All right, now if one of those two is chosen, then what's the probability that the other one will be chosen out of the next on the next draw? Well, now there's only one of them left. It's either Teresa or Julia because the other one's already been chosen, and we would have a 1 out of 9 chance. So what do we get? Now, what you'll notice is that all the answers here are in fractions, whereas what we're going to get is a decimal, the way that we've been doing it. So we do 0.2 times 1/9 is 0.111111111 repeated, and we get 0.0222222222. Now what you can do then is you can figure out which one of these is equivalent to that. If you're good with fractions, you could have kept with fractions from the beginning. That also works. The other thing that you can do is if you keep all the decimals and make sure that when you do 0.111111111, you put at least 10 there on your calculator, you can click on the math button, and then the first selection is to change it to a fraction, and you hit enter and it'll change it to a fraction for you. And what you'll get is that it's 1 out of 45, which is selection A.